Well, after waiting about a week or less, this stuff arrived from Mark, KE9PQ. And this is to fix the AC-4 power supply that I've already stripped down. So this is the non-China version, or the original creator who the Chinese have copied. And so let's take a look at what's in the box. There's a tax advice. Looks like some instructions are here. And that's kind of cool. Something on over there. Yeah, look at that. And here is here's the bulk of the matter. Let's see what they say about this here. Right, so don't worry, Mark. I'm not using your negative feedback. Well, I'll get this thing open with one hand, and I succeeded. Let's see what's in here. Oh, it's packed very nicely in little zippy bags here. Get these open with one hand. All right. There we go. Doesn't look too bad so far. All redone, pre-done. Here's board number 2. So, you get these 2 boards. They're pre-wired. And looks like some capacitors and some hardware, so that's what comes in the box. So I'm just curious now to do like a I'm gonna guess this one's over here. Do like a pre-fit and see what happens here. So if I just drop this one into here, nope, that doesn't work like that. I'm looking to see where the screws line up, if they do at all. That does fit in there. There's a screw hole. Looks like there's 2 screw holes there. There's not one on the further side. Let's see if these line up. Looks like there's just 2 screw holes you can reuse, I'm thinking. They got those right in line. Well, read the instructions, right? Let's open the instructions up and see what it says here. Alright, here are the instructions. Safety. There you go. That makes sense. So I must add a late version. I've pretty much done all that stuff. Removed everything. And what I'm curious is, how does it fit in? I'm not seeing the word drill yet. Well, I ripped out everything. I will have to use a schematic to figure out how this all works because I tore everything out. Man, the instructions are involved. It's like a book. Holy crap. Oh, I don't see anything about... Okay, yeah, there's the word drill. There's some drills. Yeah, I can see why people screw this up. It's really verbose. They need pictures, actually. They need pictures, not all this text. You can just put pictures in the pictures. With X's for cut. There's actually pictures in the eBay, which are a lot better than this. Test sequence, yada yada yada. Contents, circuit boards, caps, metal screws, blah blah. A little bit of flux. All right, Paul.